All right, here's a couple of worded questions that might involve some factoring or other fun. Okay, consecutive even integers. Three consecutive even integers are such that the square of the third is 76 more than the square of the second. Find the three integers. Okay, so first integer, second integer, third integer. The first one, we don't know what it is, so let's call it x. The next consecutive even number has to be 2 more than that, so it would be x plus 2. And then the third one would be 2 more than that, so it would be x plus 4. So there's my three consecutive integers. Then they say the square of the third, here's the third one, so I have to square the third one, is equal to, so it's equal to 76 more than, so 76 more than the square of the second. So here's the second, x plus 2 squared. All right, so now I have to solve for x. So this is two of these, so I'll need to FOIL that all out. X squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 76 plus, and this would be two of these too, right? So this would be x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Now, I'm looking at this and I have an x squared positive on both sides. If I bring this one over to the left side, it would be a negative, and those would cancel out. So I can cancel that out. And that's nice because now all I have are x's and numbers. So let's get all my x's on the left side. So I have 4x and 4x, that's 8x. 2x and 2x is 4x. And then I'd need to move it to the other side so it would become a negative 4x. Okay, and let's get all the numbers on the right side. So I'd have 76 plus the 4, and then if I bring this to the right side, it'd be minus 16. Now, did I keep track of everything there? So 4 and 4x got them. 2x and 2x are there. The 16 is here, and the 4 is here, and the 76 is there. Yeah, I got everything. Okay, so now 8x take away 4x is 4x. And then 76 plus 4 is 80. 80 minus 16. I'm thinking 64. I'm thinking. And then divide both sides by 4. So 64 divided by 4, I think it comes out to 16. Okay, so x is 16, that'd be this number. So the next number would have to be 18, and the last number would have to be 20. Now we can check this out, because they say the square of the third, so 20 squared, is equal to 76 more than the square of the second, so 18 squared. So 20 squared would be 400. Okay, so I'm hoping this one is 324. I don't know, let's check. 18 times 18, so 64, 6, that'd be 8, so that'd be that. Is that right? 8 plus 6 is 14, yeah. There'd be 8, and there'd be a 1. So it'd be 4, 2, 1. Yeah, 324. So 18 squared is 324. If you add these things, sure enough, you get 400. Therefore, I'm correct with those numbers. Okay, that's one. Another question, similar kind of thing where you got some squares. Foot of extension ladder 9 feet from the wall, 9. The height of the ladder reaches on the wall, and the ladder are consecutive integers. How long is the ladder? So just consecutive integers. So one would be like x, and the next one would be the one up from that, or x plus 1. Now the longest side has to be this one here, because the hypotenuse is always longer. So I'm going to put the wall as x, and the ladder as x plus 1. Okay, so I know three sides of a triangle. I can use Pythagoras to help solve this. So Pythagoras is c squared, that's the hypotenuse squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So the hypotenuse is this one, so that'd be x plus 1 squared, is equal to, let's make this one a, so it'd be 9 squared, plus b would be this one, so that would be x squared. Okay, x plus 1, there's 2 of those, so I have to FOIL all that out. X squared plus x plus another x plus 1 equals 9 plus x squared. Hey, that's another question where the x squareds, they're the same on both sides, so they cancel out. So I can gather things then. So x plus x is 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. Move the 1 over to the other side and subtract it. So I get 2x is equal to 8. So therefore, x is going to be equal to 4. Oh no, I did something wrong there. Did you see what I did wrong? Oh, I forgot to square that, the 9. Whoops. Okay, I just have to fix this part. All right, so I forgot to square this 9. So 9 squared is 81. So when I bring the 1 over and subtract, it'd be 80. And then divide by 2, 80, divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2, I get 40. So 40 is that side, and then this side here is going to be 41. Yeah. So, and if you wanted to check it, you could go 41 squared, see what that comes out to, and then square the 9 and square the 40, and see if the sum of those two come out to that. Hopefully that helps with those two questions.